students. In this class we are going to discuss about switching characteristics of SCR during turn on and turn off. So before going to discuss about switching characteristics, we need to discuss two basic points here. So that is the first point here. When SCR is in off state, the SCR is a switch. Now SCR acts as a open switch. So anode and cathode, SCR acts as an open switch. So connected to a voltage, named it as anode voltage, because the voltage is applied to the anode. So we call it as anode voltage. Then tell me, what is the voltage drop across the SCR when it is in off state? It is a maximum, that is equal to Vt is equal to whatever the voltage applied to the anode. So when SCR is in off state, the voltage drop across the SCR will be more. Okay. So coming to the second point, when SCR is in on state, the switch, SCR is a switch. When SCR is on, the SCR acts as a closed switch. That's why your SCR is replaced with a closed switch. That means a short circuit line. Anode and cathode. Now this is the voltage applied to the anode. The positive plate is applied to the anode. That's why here also we call it as a anode voltage. Tell me, in this case, Vt is equal to Va is equal to, Vt here, in this case Vt, that is the voltage across the SCR which is conducting. The SCR acts as a short circuit line. Then tell me, what is the voltage drop across short circuit line? Is approximately 0 volts. So that means when SCR is conducting, the voltage drop across the SCR will be decrease. It will be equal to 0, but practically 0.6 times of 0.6 volts depending upon the rating of SCR. So the conclusion here, when SCR is conducting, the voltage drop across the SCR will be decreased, approximately equal to 0.6 volts. Okay, right. Coming to switching characteristics of SCR during turn on. Here turn on means SCR must be forward bias. Turn on means SCR has changed from off state to on state. This is the procedure of turn on state. Right. Here the SCR is switching from the VI characteristics. We can define this. SCR is switching from forward blocking state to forward conduction state. So at forward blocking, the conduction is very less. That's why it acts as a open switch, or SCR is in off state. When at forward conduction, the conduction through the SCR is more, then it acts as a closed switch, or SCR is in on state. Okay. Coming to the next point here, the time taken by the SCR to switch from forward blocking state to forward conduction state is called turn on time. Is called turn on time. This time is classified into three components. One is TD plus TR plus and TS. TD is the delay time and TR is the rising time and TS is the spreading time. And coming to the next point here, to turn on the SCR, anode current must be greater than the latching current. And one more point here, to turn on the SCR, we must apply gate pulse. Otherwise, to turn on the SCR, we have to apply more amount of anode voltage, that is forward breakover voltage. At the forward breakover voltage or at high voltages, SCR will be damaged. That's why to turn on the SCR safely, we must apply gate pulse. That means Ig not equal to 0. So these are the basic points to understand the switching characteristics. Coming to the dynamic characteristics or switching characteristics of SCR during turn on. Here we can observe on vertical axis Ig, Ia, Va, and on horizontal axis is the time axis, microseconds. Here Ig is the maximum gate current which is enough to turn on the SCR or rated gate current, and Ia is the maximum anode voltage or anode current or maximum conduction current or rated anode current passing through the SCR, and Va is the anode voltage is maximum initially across the SCR. As SCR conduction increasing gradually, the voltage drop across the SCR will be decreased gradually. So coming to here, when gate pulse is applied, the gate pulse is applied, now the pulse is, the gate current is applied here, 0.9 times of Ig. This below 0.9 Ig, that the gate current is not enough to turn on the SCR. That means SCR is in off state. That means SCR is in a forward blocking state. Up to this point, SCR is not conducting. That means up to this point, SCR is in a forward blocking state. In forward blocking state, current through the SCR is very less, conduction is very less. That is, there is a less amount of current is passing through the SCR. That is forward leakage current. This gap represents forward leakage current. Forward IFL, forward leakage current. So as gate current increases to its maximum value, that is Ig. Now the conduction will increase. Now the gate current, rated gate current is available. This gate current is enough to conduct the SCR. Means conduction improves. So the current through the SCR will increase from leakage current to 0.1 Ia. So the time taken by the Ia from leakage current to 0.1 Ia is called TD. So that is delay time. So here, coming to the voltage across SCR before conduction, before SCR conduction, SCR acts as a open switch. The voltage drop across the SCR is maximum, that is equal to anode voltage VA. Anode voltage VA. When SCR starts its conduction, gradually the voltage drop across the SCR will be decreased gradually. It decreased to 0.9 times of its maximum value, right? Now the maximum gate current is available. Again we can observe the improvement in conduction, means conduction can improve from 0.1 to 0.9 times of IA, that is the conduction increased to 90% of its rated conduction. So the time taken here from 0.1 to 0.9, that is 10% to 90%, the time is called rising time. The current is rising from 0.1 to 0.9 times of IA. So this time is called rising time. So in this, coming to it is a considerable conduction here. Conduction is improved. As conduction is improved, the voltage drop across the SCR will be decreased gradually to 0.1 times of its maximum voltage, right? Again conduction will be increased and the current, anode current, reach it to its rated current IA. So the time taken by IA from 0.9 to 90% of IA to 100%, that is 0.9 IA to IA, the time is called spread time, TS, spread time. So spread time is time taken by IA to reach 0.9 times of IA to 100% of IA, that is to its maximum rated anode current. It is called a spread time. Okay. So in this time again, when SCR conducts completely, when SCR reaches to its complete conduction, further the drop will decrease. The drop will decrease further and reach it to the value here. Okay. Now this gap, this vertical gap is the voltage, on state voltage drop, SCR on state voltage drop. So when SCR reach to its complete conduction, SCR simply acts as a short circuit line. SCR simply acts as a short circuit line. The voltage drop, initially VA, it will completely decrease and it maintains very less amount of voltage when it is conducting. That is called on state voltage drop, that is equal to 0.6 times of voltage depending upon the rating of SCR. Okay, right. This is about dynamic characteristics or switching characteristics of SCR during turn on. So here T on is divided here. T on is equal to concentrate IA. The conduction is improved from leakage current to 0.1 IA during TD, that is called TD, and from 0.1 to 0.9 during rising time, and 0.9 to complete conduction during spread time. Okay, right. And one more important point here, when thyristor is conducting from leakage current to its rated current. So what about power losses during turn on process? What about power losses? Now here this is the TD. This time gap is TD. Now this one is TR, rising time. Now this one is TS. So PL, power loss, is simply, it is a multiplication of anode voltage into anode current. So coming to the graph here, during TD, IA is 0.1 times, it is less. During TD, IA is less, but VA is more. But here the loss is less due to IA is very less. The loss is like this. Okay. And during rising time, IA is very high and VA also considerably high. During this rising time, IA into VA, deciding factor anode current is high. That's why we could able to see the power losses high or power losses more during rising time. And coming to the spreading time, even IA is more, the anode voltage which is appearing across the SCR is less, that's why losses will be less. So during rising time, we could able to observe the power losses across the SCR. Power losses across the SCR is more. Okay, this is about behavior of the SCR during turn on process.